In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images in Airtable so you can turn a plain spreadsheet into a rich visual database. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to Airtable. You'll land on the login page, so click that login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace with all your bases. Open the base that you want to edit. This is the main container for your data. Inside that base, find and open the specific table where you want to add images. Tables are where your records live, so this is the home for your rows of data. Now, you need a place to store those images, and that's where the attachment field comes in. Look across your table's column headers and either locate an existing attachment field or create a new one. To create it, click the plus sign on the far right of the header row, then choose Attachment from the Field Type menu. This field type is purpose-built to hold files like images, PDFs, or documents. Once that's set up, click inside the attachment cell for the record where you want to add an image. A small window will pop up with a few options. Click the Upload File button, and your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the image you want to use, whether it's a screenshot, a product photo, or a design mock-up, and select it. Airtable will then begin uploading the file. Give it just a moment to process. The time it takes depends on the file size and your internet connection, but it's usually very fast. Once the upload completes, you'll see the image appear right inside the cell as a small thumbnail. That thumbnail gives you a quick visual preview without needing to open anything. If you want to see the image in its full resolution, simply click on the thumbnail, and it will expand into a larger viewer where you can inspect every detail. This is great for verifying quality or checking fine print. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Airtable record, turning a simple row into a visually informative entry. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Airtable tips. Thanks for watching.